Welcome! In front of me I have ROGBID S2 smartwatch and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Now you can tap on the settings icon to open the settings. In settings, select the option called Vibrate&Ring. And as you can see here, we have the intensity option. Tap on it and we can select between strong and soft. Select the one you like and then you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.